how to create your own home improvement and renovation website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using this platform, which is squarespace.com. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button. So here it will take us to a lot of templates that we can choose from to help us build our own website, and here we can filter those templates by the type, if you want to create an online store or a portfolio or a blog, or by the topic if you sorry for that black screen you saw before. So as I was saying, I'm just going to scroll down to see if I can find something more good than that template. I don't think so, so I'm just going to use that template. So here we have the blank template for those who want to create or build their own template from scratch. So as I was saying, I'm going to use this template. So click on preview version, which is the name of the template, and wait for it to load. Then you click on view demo site, and this is the template in full width. We just check it and see if it really fits us and meets our requirements. Then we close the tab and we click on start with this design, and if you encounter this message you just click on OK, and you click again on start with this design, and then they will set things up for us. You just wait for a few seconds and everything will be good. Then you type in your title in here, so you can always skip this step, but for me I'm going to type in my title to organize my websites, to know which website I'm logging in, because you can create multiple websites using this platform. After that you click on close to close these tabs. Then in your left we have a lot of sections that I'm going to explain each one of them. So let's start with website. It's basically where you can manage your pages, add new ones or delete the ones that you already have, or adjust them from this button. Also you can adjust the sub pages that you have inside the pages, as you can see. Then we have the commerce section. It's basically where we can adjust our products or add new ones and manage our orders, inventory, customers, discounts, and if we want to change the ways that we sell we can go with memberships or plans, subscription plans, project management, or other stuff. Then we have the marketing section, and it's basically everything that is related to growing your audience, from email campaigns to SEO appearance to promotional pop-up to metal pixels and ads. Then we go back home and we move on to scheduling, and scheduling is for creating your calendar for people to book appointments with you or meetings with you, to go one-on-one with you, to ask you questions, or if you want to convince them to be your clients, you can create your own page in here, the calendar page. Then we have the asset library section. It's where you can save your files to use them when you are designing your website. You can just drop them in here and you can use them later on while designing. Then we have the analytics, and basically it's where you can see your dashboard and your data from your revenue, units sold, conversion rate, sales, traffic, geography, and stuff like that. Then we have profiles, and it's where we have the profiles of our clients if we want to take a look to them or if we want to adjust them. Then we have the settings, and it's where we can add our domains or set up our Google Workspace, or change the site's availability from private to public, or change the languages. Also, we can change the store or set our payment processors, like connecting our Stripe account or connecting our PayPal or our Square if we are from the United States only. And you can also change the currency, your store currency, from this button right here. You can change it from the United States dollars to anything you want. And we have also here some other tools to use, like the import and export content. If you want to import content from your other website, if you already have another website and you want to move on to this platform, here we have the mobile information bar and also the Pinterest save buttons, the social sharing if you want the social media sharing links or buttons, social links, browser icon, and this is the icon that shows in here in the top, like this one. As you can see, this icon, you can add that in here. And we also call it the favicon of your website. And here if you want to set your taxes and the things that are related to that. Also, if you want to set your shipping, low stock alerts, and all those information. So let's go back home and let's proceed to the next phase, which is the editing phase. By clicking on edit, this page will expand to give us more space to focus on adjusting or designing our website. So here, as you can see, you can edit the site header from this button, and in the bottom you can edit the footer and everything in between those two, from these sections to pictures to blocks to the texts, also to the buttons. You can change the shapes of the buttons, so you can pretty much change everything with this platform. Also, you can change the styles from here. Just click on site styles, and then you can change the fonts, colors, animations, spacing, and the button's shape. You can also change the image blocks. So you can pretty much change everything with this platform, and you can adjust it to meet your requirements and the way you want it. So for changing a section, you can just click on edit section or duplicate or move it down or remove it if you don't even like it. So you can do the same thing with blocks and texts also. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope I accomplished that. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.